So you just bought your new iPad Pro, you're excited about your device, then you realize you don't have enough money to buy that $129 Apple Pencil. Well, no need to worry, because I have the perfect Apple Pencil alternative that will suit all your needs for just a quarter of the price. What's up guys, it's Ryan here, and today I want to share what I think is the best Apple Pencil alternative. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and turn on notifications so you won't miss any video. So Fanrock sent this unit out to me for review, but I'm not paid by them. So as always, I'll be giving my honest opinion about this device. Also, I'll be linking the device in the description below for those who want to check it out. So in this review, I'm going to be talking about three things. The first one is the packaging of the Stylus compared to the Apple Pencil. The second is the looks of the Stylus compared to the Apple Pencil. The third is the functionality of the Stylus compared to the Apple Pencil. So this Stylus was packaged similar to the Apple Pencil, as you can see here. The box they came in both have the same length and width. However, the Apple Pencil box is a little higher to accommodate for the packet with the Apple documentation. The Stylus is aesthetically pleasing because it has the same length, same color, and the same shape as the Apple Pencil. That's one good thing compared to other Apple Pencil alternative. There is only two noticeable difference, which are the tip being smaller than the Apple Pencil, and the Stylus has a power button where the Apple Pencil logo would be on the original device. So as you can see here, the Apple Pencil logo on the Apple Pencil and the power button on the Stylus. Now let's talk about the functionality of the Stylus. The Stylus doesn't require any pairing with your iPad, and as such, you can use the Stylus as an Apple Pencil with any iPad, whether it's an iPad Pro, iPad Mini, or even the budget iPad. All you need to do is power on the Stylus to use it. You can use the Stylus to take notes, edit videos in LumaFusion, or photos in Affinity Photo. The Stylus also connects to the iPad Pro magnetically, but it doesn't charge via the magnetic connection like the Apple Pencil. Instead, it charges with the USB that you plug in the top. Personally, I don't think that's a big deal. But where the Stylus is at a disadvantage is when you're using apps like Procreate for drawing, because there's no pressure sensitivity and no tap feature available. In my opinion, this is the best Apple Pencil alternative that I've seen. It looks almost the same, function almost the same, not to mention being priced at $36.99. For that price, I don't think anyone would be thinking about pressure sensitivity or tap feature while using it. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.